Well, I'm going to sign the bill. I've been asking the legislature to deal with this problem of intoxicating hemp for a couple of years, and I'm just delighted now that this bill has passed. My concern really was for children. We were seeing more and more kids end up in the emergency room because they got a gummy bear and ended up in the emergency room. So it's kind of the Wild West. There was no regulation of this intoxicating hemp.
In terms of the regulations on marijuana, do you feel like this bill does enough, or are you going to be advocating for more regulations in the future?
Well, I think this bill is where we are. I mean, look, I was not in favor of legalization of marijuana. We know more today than we knew a few years ago. The marijuana today is much, much more potent than it was, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. And we know that particularly if young people, where their brain is still developing, are users of marijuana or frequent users, there can be a considerable loss in IQ, literally, which is permanent. So there's a lot of problems connected with marijuana. But the voters, by 57%, voted to legalize marijuana. So I think it was incumbent upon us to follow what the voters have said, but also to regulate it in a way that was a responsible way. And I think the bill does that.